dim. And actually, I think I have a picture for this one. Yes. Let me bring up this picture. Okay. This is you can see this light switch. Wait, up here. This light switch. This is not an on-off light switch. This is a light switch where you can make the light go from very bright to very dark, but there's still light. It's not on-off. It's like a degree. And let me see, what is the definition that I have written for dim? The word dim could be an adjective or a verb, because you can dim the lights. That means make the lights go down. Not off, but down. It's similar to the word dark, but when you use the word dim, it means there is a little light, enough light to see other things around you, but not very much. So dim means not very much light. Sometimes we use it to mean stupid. Don't do that. We're using it talking about light here. Okay. So let's see. Here's an example of using dim as a verb. Maybe you've had this experience where when you're a student in school and you're going to watch a movie, they make the classroom dark. There's still light. It's not completely dark. There's a little bit of light coming through, maybe, at least where I went to school. So we can say the teacher made the room darker so the students could watch a movie, right? That makes sense. The teacher made the room darker so the students could watch a movie. But we could just use dim here and make a much shorter sentence. The teacher dimmed the lights. Dimmed the lights. You can imagine turning that little dial, making it darker. Dim the lights. The teacher dimmed the lights so that the students could watch a movie. Let's change one of the words. Let's use the word presentation. What would you change in that sentence with presentation? The teacher dimmed the lights so the students could watch a presentation. The teacher dimmed the lights so the students could watch a presentation. Okay, now let's make a how question with that sentence. How? How did the teacher dim? How did the teacher dim the lights? Let's answer with by plus an ing verb. By using a dimmer switch. This is a dimmer switch. The teacher dimmed the lights by using a dimmer switch. It's a dimmer switch. Okay. All right, let's get rid of the dimmer switch here, and let's move on to the next word.